Yo, what's good, y'all? Zach SJ back after a long period of time where I didn't post a video. I'm back. I'm about to be posting some new content with the S14 and with my SR20 build. It's coming along. I just did a maintenance haul. I got a couple packages to show you guys and you know what direction I'm going with the build. It's a lot of good stuff for not that bad of a price. I'll definitely link the products in the description below. But here's my product. All right, so here we go. We got the SR20DET extended oil pan. Can now hold 4.5 quarts compared to the 3.5 quarts from stock. Has these baffles in there. Silicone upper and lower radiator hoses. Those are actually glow in the dark. Kind of ricey, but you know, they were cheap and they were good. Look good quality. I got the Gktech fan, the performance fan. Supposedly 60% more airflow. Supposedly, you know, dyno proven on Gktech. But we got some Kevlar infused belts, blue, look pretty cool. There's a hair, that's gross. We got EBC green brakes in the rear for my 240SX calipers. These are dope. Never seen these up front. Have a nice green color to them. Have a break-in period at that point right here. And then supposedly, right here, look at this. Select your ideal upgraded brakes. I got the green stuff right here, I believe. The 2000 series. Yeah, look pretty cool though, look good. I don't know if I want to do red calipers or like do a lime green caliper, but. And then we have the front brakes, Stop Tech. That's about 75 bucks on eBay. Not bad. Came with brand new hardware too all around with the pins. Check your pins on the back for anyone that has 300ZX 4-piston calipers, because they over time they might rust out and the pin falls out, so end up needing yourself one of these. 75 bucks all in, front brakes. It's not bad. Some lightweight pulleys. You know, I don't expect to see any gains, but they are pretty light, I'm not gonna lie to you. So that's the water pump pulley. This is the power steering pulley. And this is the alternator pulley. Pretty good, decent quality. I got those for a good deal too. And I got the silver extended lugs. Silver extended lugs, definitely dope. I threw them on one of the wheels already. We got the S14 right here though. Need to fix my light. Literally have a lampshade in here. Well, here it is, SR20DET S13. I also got the over radiator catch can from Gktech, which is gonna be coming in a couple days. Stock lugs. Now we got extended. Alright, what's up guys? If you guys made it this far, thank you for watching. I'm going to be posting a lot more videos on the S14 chassis and the SR20 platform specifically, so definitely throw your boy a follow, show me some love. If you have any comments or questions, write them down in the comments, because I will be responding to them. Like, I respond to all my comments. Thank you guys for watching. Take it easy. Peace. Yo, bro, what you doing?